All right, time now for better food. Sunflowers, local wine, pizza, and lawn games. Sounds like a perfect summer setup.
Yep, you'll find all that coming up. Sunflower Festival this weekend. It's being hosted by the Max Restaurant Group.
Chef Hunter Morton is telling us more about that, and he's showing us how to make something called tuna pokey? Okay, tuna pokey.
Hawaiian, it's really indicative of that, and poke really means to slice.
To slice.
Yeah.
To slice, lakayam. Never mind.
Boy. This tuna doesn't look like it could be fresher. It was like swimming yesterday.
Oh, beautiful. This is number one tuna, right up out of Boston. I caught it no, I didn't.
You didn't catch it yourself.
I wish.
I would be very impressed if you did.
Tunas, they can get up to about 300, 400 pounds. These command on the Japanese market, upwards of $20 a pound.
$20 a pound. Wow.
Upwards.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful piece of tuna.
And you've made a few different things with this. Are they all considered poke or?
Well, poke is really just the tuna in itself. Okay. So the diced tuna, and then I think the kind of great thing with that is you can have so much fun with it. So many different applications you use it for. So we have a tuna taco, which we do have in some of our restaurants. Max Tavern showcases that, and sometimes we do it over at the Oyster Bar where I was.
Okay.
And but it's just so many different applications you can use with it. So we really want to start with the tuna.
It's a nice slab.
Right, and you can get it, at City Fish or Gulf Shrimp. They all have great tuna, and I would definitely we Gulf Shrimp. The guys over there, I get tons of great seafood from those guys.
Is it a yellowfin or a bluefin or?
This is actually bluefin tuna, but yes, you're right, correct.
The viewers are telling me that the sunflowers are distracting them from my beauty, so I'm just going to move them just a little bit this way. There you go. Now you can see me.
Oh, that's much better.
Oh, thank you. Yep. Goodness gracious.
Understood. So I'm sure you guys are going to be out there on Sunday. So Sunday we are having the Sunflower Luau Fest. This is our first Sunflower Luau Fest.
And where is it going to be?
That's going to be out at Rosedale Farms, and we have so many great dinners. And we just had corn last Friday. We have Max Downtown at the farm on the 26th. We have Oyster Fest on the 4th of August. It just keeps going and going and going.
Have you ever been to one of those, Scott? They're fantastic.
I've never been to one of the outdoor events.
Yeah,
no,
it's a really lot of fun.
I can actually tell you that I ate at Max Downtown more last week than I ate at home. I was there 3 nights.
Well, it's Taste of Hartford this week as well. So
I missed that.
Right.
I certainly missed that. But all right, so you brought several different ingredients here.
We did.
Putting a little soy sauce?
So a little bit of soy sauce. Okay. I like to put a little bit of citrus in there, little lemon, lime. You can do a little orange juice. I like a little sriracha in there just to give it a little bit of heat.
Nice. It up.
Just a little bit. It doesn't need to be too much. Yep. And then we just want to toss that around. And really at this point, we kind of already have, that's the great thing about poke. It's so simple. I think you just really want to start with the great tuna. And that's your main ingredient there.
Is your mouth not salad? My mouth
cannot wait to taste whatever Hunter's made here. I cannot wait to taste it.
So we're just going to make a really simple kind of poke bowl, which is really, really popular right now, the bowls. So I took some basmati rice. I like basmati, and I just cook it maybe a second longer than you normally would.
Okay.
And then after that, we can really just kind of have some fun with it. Yeah. Some cucumber.
And you cool it down, obviously.
Yes, exactly. Okay. It can be slightly warm as well. We have some seaweed, the wakame. I love this. It's just marinated. You just buy this.
Marinated, and is it a sweet taste or a spicy taste? Or?
No, it's not spicy at all. It kind of has that umami flavor.
Okay.
And then we were talking about this.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, right?
Dragon fruit, which I don't think, even I have never seen anything like this.
Yeah. These are really cool.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah. Exactly. How fun, right? Kind of looks like a kiwi, right?
Yeah.
Or the flavor was more like a kiwi, but the really just beautiful flavor.
And it's pretty too.
And you find this in most supermarkets?
I picked that up at Whole Foods.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
There you go.
So then we pile our tuna on top.
What do? Do you peel this?
Yeah,
or you cut it?
I just kind of take a knife and go around.
Okay.
And then, how about some avocado? You guys like avocado?
Who doesn't?
Right.
Huh?
Little avocado around.
Do you have any sliced jalapeno anywhere?
Yeah, we got some jalapeno. Yeah, definitely. You can make it whatever you want, Paul.
What is the red? Is fish roe some kind of?
Yeah, exactly. Okay. And they just kind of dye it a little bit. So that's red. They call it Tampico caviar.
So this is not impossible to make at home. I mean, all you need to do is get some.
The great thing is, it's how many degrees is it outside?
It's a lot of degrees.
It's a lot of degrees.
gonna
This
get
is
even-
really,
it's gonna
so
get
this is
even more
another really,
hotter.
really exotic ingredient. So this is actually passion fruit.
Ah.
So this is fresh passion fruit. You know, everybody sees it in their smoothies and their teas from Starbucks and so forth. But it has just such a great little citrus, and the seeds give it a nice little pop.
So don't be afraid
too.
to try a bunch of different ingredients.
Right, yeah, we're definitely using these like kind of Polynesian, Hawaiian ingredients. We've got some nice local pea tendrils from Tiny Acres. Kind of just sprinkle those around.
Tiny acres.
Some
And what
puffed
is that,
rice.
Puffed rice?
Puffed rice, yep. And then we got a little bit of
Wasabi
wasabi peas.
Should we try this, Hunter?
Oh,
Paul, you got a fork?
I'll take a fork.
Here you go. Or a spoon, or
then we're gonna
He's
finish
going to
it
finish with a little soy.
soy, and then how about we have a little bit of just a little sriracha aioli, kind of just.
yeah, I'm not a big sriracha aioli fan. I'm just going in with this.
Oh,
Right, healthy. We didn't turn the oven on. The house is still nice and cool, fresh.
So good. So
Yeah.
fresh.
again, the Max Restaurant Group. Oh, let me talk with my mouth full. They're hosting Sunflower Luau Festival this Sunday, July 21st from 3 to 6 at the Rosedale Farms and Vineyards in Simsbury. It's a beautiful location.
Yeah, it really
We're,
is.
we're gonna have a band. We got Big Kahuna playing. We have Hawaiian shirt contest, limbo contest, flamingo ring toss contest. It's gonna be amazing. And then of course tiki drinks. We're gonna have daiquiris, Mai Tais.
You got it.
Bahama Mamas.
Visit maxcheftofarm.com/events for more details. You're also going to find a link to buy tickets on betterct.com.